Hamilton Beach Flex Brew Advanced 5-in-1 Coffee Maker. Single serve. Fill basket with coffee to the max line. Lift up lid and insert filter. Touch ounces desired. Touch coffee strength and press brew. As coffee is perking, it tells you how many ounces have already brewed to get to the max amount of coffee that you have programmed the machine to brew. You will find that very quickly your coffee is brewed. If you desire to use the craft, this makes 12 cups of coffee. Open the side door, add your filter, and add your coffee. Once your coffee is added to the filter, close the door. Place craft in its location. Come to the front of the machine and press the craft button, and we're going to do 4 cups of coffee, and we hit start brewing at regular strength. Immediately, the Hamilton Beach Flex Brew will start perking the coffee within the craft. Quickly, you will see that coffee is brewed in the craft. Very hot, precise measurements. It also comes with a large water retention so that you could fill it up to your 12 cups and never have to pause to refill for your coffee maker. If you desire to have iced coffee, we will be using this setting here. So it has 10 ounces. We will leave it at 10 ounces because it's 10 ounces, 12 ounces, 14 ounces, back to 10. We achieve this by using our pod, coffee pod holder. You put your desired pod inside and place it in the catch basket. We close it and insert Before we start, let's put ice. After adding ice to our cup, we will reinsert it underneath the spout and we press start. It starts to brew. Quickly, your cold brew coffee is ready. Cold to the touch. Now all we have to do is season it to our taste. And bon appetit. enjoy your iced coffee drink. This Hamilton Beach Flexible Brew 5-in-1 is versatile for everything in your house. Whatever kind of coffee you like. If you just want a single serve coffee to walk out the door going to your way to work, on your way to school, you could just make enough for 1 cup. If you have several people that want to have coffee in the morning with you, you have your craft setting so that you can make up to 12 cups of coffee. Or if you want that decadent iced coffee to give you that little burst of energy, that little pick-me-up, you could do that. You have it all in one. And the great thing about this Hamilton Beach Flex Brew is that it'll remind you when the machine needs to be cleaned. And it goes through the process with you. So that way, every single function in the machine is cleaned out thoroughly so that you have a fresh, amazing tasting cup of coffee every single time. This is a game changer. You don't need 20 different types or 10 different types or 5 different types of machines on your counter or under your counter where you have to keep flipping them in and out, changing them out for what you desire. This is an all-in-one. And if you want tea, you could just go ahead and use the single serve right there. And brew as many cups of hot water as you want for your cup of tea. So it's not only for coffee drinks, it's also for teas, a cup of soup. You could do that because this is so versatile. So versatile. This is a game changer. This is an appliance that's streamlined. It does not take a lot of space on the counter. So if you're limited to counter space, this just squeezes right on in. Versatile. This is something that every household should have on their countertop. Enjoy your coffee. Thank you. Bye-bye.